Hey guys, this video is on my Arm & Hammer plus Oxi Clean with Odor Blasters detergent in Fresh Burst. So I've tried like all different kinds of laundry detergent and stuff. This is honestly the best for getting out those tough stains. I have little kids, like they're toddlers now, so they're always getting dirty. Like they're running around outside in the mud, they're getting food on them, ice cream, so I was using Direct, which is like a super sensitive detergent it's for babies, but it just does not get those stains out. So I switched to this. Luckily, they don't really have any skin sensitivities, and this works really well for getting the stains out and for keeping everything fresh and clean smelling. So if you guys have kids that are maybe in sports and stuff, you know how bad those tough stains and odors can be. This will really help. It's good for 77 loads, and it's just this easy to twist off cap. You can see it's like it's a medium blue, I would say, color. Just pour a little bit in my washing machine, but normally I will pour it to the fill line depending on what size load I'm doing. I'm just gonna pour a little in so you guys can see what it looks like. See, it's like that nice blue detergent. It's like, I wouldn't say it's a super light scent, but it's definitely like not too potent, and it's fresh smelling, and it's just really nice. So this, you'll get a lot of loads out of it. I am constantly doing laundry because I have, it's me, my husband, and 2 kids in the house, and it's mostly kids' clothes that I'm washing. But I definitely suggest this if you guys want a clean scent and a good detergent for taking out stains.